Hey guys, welcome back to Jersey Shore Beers and Brews Reviews. Third review of the day, Tom's River Brewing. That is the one we are zoning in on. This one is called Kashmere. It's a West Coast IPA. It comes in at 7%. It says, our Shangri-La amidst a summer moon. This will brew again as the hops grow high and jur. Now, is that cut off? Jur? I don't know. It looks like the label's over that. Maybe it's June. We're sipping on Kashmere. West Coast style India Pale Ale, 1 pint. And that's pretty much it. That's all it's got on it. So let's crack it open. Let's see. And these guys have that brew top that I really love that I could open. Just saying. That is honey colored, a little pale. A little paler than honey, I guess. Nice head developing on the thing. Let's see the bubbles. Smaller bubbles coming up through the center. No real big ones. Nice fine coating on top of the foam beer head. Looks good. Looks good. These guys are killing it, man. They're killing it. The other two beers I had were really good. I was pretty impressed. Irish born, Jersey brewed. Nice label. Got some nice colors on it. Got a blimp on it. Got the hops, got the brew house, got some barrels on it. Looks good. Looks good. Let's see what it smells like. Tropicals. Got the fruity, grapefruits, tangerines maybe in there. Smells awesome. That head is just stable as can be, which is a wonderful thing. Love to see this stuff. Let's see if we can top it off a little bit more. I would imagine this is all filtered because it's clear as a whistle. Big old head getting above the glass. Just looks wonderful. Like a big old ice cream cone on top there. Looks great. Looks great. Let's blow the froth back and see what it tastes like. Makes me want to lick my lips. These are, so far, all three that I've tasted are solid beers in the styles. You can't go wrong getting one of these beers. You're not, so far, haven't had one that's breaking new ground, but they're solid. They're solid. That's a great IPA. Finishes well. Hits you about, I don't know, a third of the way back, finishes before it gets down your throat. Just a good IPA. Solid, just solid beer. I want to hit it again. Grapefruits you got going on in there. Got the tropical, fruit stuff going. Definitely West Coast all the way. No real, sweetness to it like the New England Juicies. Good beer, good beer. How do I rate it? I guess I gotta come in, I'm looking through the cases down there, looking for beers earlier today. It is Cinco de Mayo. I've already got in my mind what I'm gonna be getting for dinner. I'm looking at pizzas out there and I'm looking for a taco pizza, which kind of hard to come by, but it's Friday, I want pizza, And I did find one, so that's going to be cool later on. But when I'm looking down the cases down there, all I'm seeing now is IPAs, double IPAs, triple IPAs, and there's very few beers that are outside of that scope. Occasionally you find a Kolsch, you might find a Pilsner out there that's in season now, occasionally a Wit, maybe one in 8 doors of beers. Seeing a lot of sours. Sours seem to be pretty hot now. Not my favorite beer. I'm gonna have to start checking out some though, because they're all over out there, and I don't think that they're the sours like the farmhouse sours and stuff like that. I think they're doing the kettle sours. They got a little bit less of the sour going on, a little bit more of the flavors going on, which is a good thing for me. This one here, I guess I got to come in Again, these are solid beers. They're above the 7.5 so far. Everything is, this one's 7.7. It's an IPA. It's a good IPA. Yeah, there's a lot of other IPAs out there that kind of compare to it. But it's solid. It's solid. 7.7. That's the review. If you're going out tonight, Cinco de Mayo, going out partying, just make sure you drink responsibly. That's all. All right? And we'll catch you up on the next one. We got one more. I'm going to dig through the mix in there. I'm going to find something that's a little different, a little bit outside of the box, and see if we can bring them up into the higher scores, which is rough. You know, I'm pretty rough to get into the epics. But this is solid. It's good. It's a good thing. Anyway, guys, we'll catch up to you. Peace.